I am on Langley Street and I have not been down this road for a long time, and I mean years. Basically because I'm here for a reason, and I'll show you in a minute. But basically, honestly, what I'm saying, I used to come down here once a week on a Friday, early evening with a friend to do a dance class, and I'm sure some of you may know what dance class I'm talking about, or dance studio I am talking about. It does happen to be, if you can see up there, Pineapple Dance Studio. And normally what we used to do, we used to get the 77 bus down. So I'm sort of figuring out, alright, I've got to get to Langley Street. I was calling it Langley Road, but I'm going to get the tube. And I'm trying to figure out, I know it's not far from Covent Garden Tube Station, so I'm not going to panic. So I get there and I just get guided, and it's like 2 minutes away. It's like, whoa, all this time I've been coming to Covent Gardens, I did not know that Langley Street was like 2 minutes away from it. Yeah, so basically I'm here, I've hired a studio, and it's not my time yet. My time's at 3, I've hired it for 3.5 hours. And to record, my first podcast. I've been going on about doing this podcast for over a year, if I can get my words out. Yeah, so do you know what? I said today's the day. Today's the day that I'm going to start my podcast, and that's what I'm doing. So I've come down here. I wanted it to be special, you know, and sort of like go out of my way and hire a studio, which will relate to my teams, because basically the podcast is about my very first book, A Sacrifice of a Lifetime, and because it's so delicate, the best way to promote it is via podcast, one of the ways, to be honest, so I can really just chat about it, because so many people have had their heavy views about the book, because it's a little bit controversial. It's quite controversial, and so I really wanted to just do something different and make it a special afternoon, memorable, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. But I thought, you know what, it's nice to spend time here as well. And funny enough, I've got, because I model some outfits for Pineapple, and so it's actually, because I want to show you the shop as well, but make sure that no one's going to be in it, because then you might be able to say, that's a shop, yeah, which is just a few minutes away, or not even that, it's just across, because the studio is just across from, not across, but adjacent from here. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm going to do. So I thought I'd let you know, and then I'm going to start my podcast up, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's taken me, I think I've been saying I was going to do it for over a year. I've been thinking about doing the podcast for more than that, probably about 2-3 years or something like that. So to me, it's special, it really is. So I'm going to go for it. Take care, speak to you soon, bye bye.